Tired of looking like you're broadcasting from a potato during your Zoom meetings? Let's transform your video calls from embarrassing to exceptional using your Nikon Z30. First, let's unbox our essentials: the Nikon Z30 with its kit lens, an external microphone for crisp audio, and a small LED light to brighten your face. Power on your Z30 and dial into movie mode. This prepares the camera for video recording. Navigate to the menu and find the video settings. Set the resolution to 1080p at 30 frames per second for a good balance of quality and performance. This will help prevent any lag. Now, plug your external microphone into the Z30's microphone jack. This dramatically improves your audio quality compared to the built-in microphone. Position your LED light in front of you, slightly above the camera, to eliminate shadows and give your face a professional glow. Connect your Z30 to your computer using a USB cable. Open Zoom, go to Settings, and select your Nikon Z30 as the camera and your external microphone as the audio source. And that's it. You're now set to impress in your Zoom meetings with crystal clear video and professional audio, all thanks to your Nikon Z30. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera tips.